Hi, I'm Leah from Rampley Co and I'm joined by Fashion Consultant Chris Modoo. So Chris, talk us through it.
Okay, the first thing is hangers. Don't use wire coat hangers. They sometimes come back from the dry cleaners with a wire coat hanger. It doesn't support the jacket. A proper coat hanger has a wide support and it just makes the jacket hang properly. Next time you wear it, it will fit better. It will thank you for it. Other thing on the same vein is when you're not wearing it, particularly at work, there's a tendency to chuck it on the back of your seat. Again, you're not giving the jacket enough support. For prolonged wear, hang it up again in the office, hang it on a proper coat hanger, and again, your jacket will hold its shape better. It's okay for if you're popping out for lunch in a restaurant for half an hour, 40 minutes, but no, not for prolonged time. Another easy tip, just to get better life out of your jacket, is to use the pockets sensibly. You've got plenty of pockets on a jacket, you've got a lovely pocket on the outside for your pocket square, obviously, but on the inside you should split up maybe your passes, your wallets, your pens separately, and never overstuff a pocket. It doesn't look good and you're damaging the suit. Afterwards, when you're not wearing it, just empty your pockets and allow it, when you put it back on the hanger, let the jacket get back to its normal shape. But the number one way of ruining a jacket is to wear it with a rucksack. Rucksacks have their place, but not with tailored jackets. The shoulder straps not only wear away at the fabric, they can actually destroy and really damage the shoulder pad underneath. So with time, you're going to lose a whole shoulder line. You've invested money in a beautiful jacket, and it's not the way of treating it. So use a rucksack, but never with a tailored jacket.
So Chris, what is your opinion on lint rollers?
Do not use them. The problem with a lint roller is that they remove lint from the garment by having glue on the outside, which means when you use them and you roll them onto the garment, you're actually leaving a residue of glue into the wool of the fabric, which will mat the fabric and make it more prone to attracting lint in future. So it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Much better to use a good quality traditional brush to brush your clothing, which doesn't harm the fabric and actually mean it will need less dry cleaning and last longer. When travelling with tailoring, it can be a challenge. The jacket, it's three-dimensional by its very nature. It can get flattened, or if you're wearing it, they become creased. An easy tip just to freshen it up is to empty all the pockets, unbutton, put on a good hanger with decent shoulder support, hang it up in the bathroom and give it a gentle steam. You don't want it to get wet, but just a gentle steam will just help it restore to its natural shape.
And why exactly would you undo the buttons?
Good question. There is a school of thought that by buttoning jackets up, you're making it go back to its proper shape. All you're really doing is putting extra pressure on that button. And if it becomes dislodged on the hanger for any reason, if it gets knocked off, you could put too much pressure on it. The only time I ever do a button up on a jacket is whilst I'm wearing it.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding any of our products, please email us at info@rampleyco.com and we'll be happy to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos on men's styling and product features.